So in this video I'm going to show you where the fuse boxes are on an MK4 Volkswagen Caddy. So the first fuse box most people will know about will be in the engine bay. So if you pop the bonnet, and then it's just below the battery isolator box here on the right hand side of your engine bay. So you just pop it out the lid there, and there you go, you have got the fuses here. So there's a main fuse box there, but there is two more in this Caddy, and I'll show you where they are now. So one of the fuse boxes is found inside, just below the steering wheel. Just pop that down, and then you've got a fuse box in here, and you've got the little tool there that you can actually pop them out with. So another fuse box is on the dash, so you've got this thing here, to pop that out, and then you have got a fuse box in there as well. So this fuse box on the dashboard is for more internals in the van. So you've got USB charging ports, you've got a 12 volt behind the two seats, you've also got another 12 volt at the back, and you've got the interior lights. So that's what this little fuse box will run off. So what you can do is you can just pop that off there. So what you can do is just pull these clips open, and that'll pop open like that. And then you can see you've got the fuses in there. You have then got a diagram on here, but also on most of the British Gas vans, you might not have it on mine, you have also got a little table there that tells you which fuses do what and how many amperage you've got on those ones. So there you go, that is the fuse box in there. So I hope that video has helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.